Hello, my name's Keith Jeffries and my business is Jeffries Accountancy Services Limited. I'm based in Chiltern House, Henley-on-Thames, and I'm just going to do a little review now of what help is available to you and your business during this coronavirus outbreak. First of all, for employers, the government will fund 80% of wages paid direct to the employer, plus all the relevant national insurance contributions for 3 months from the 1st of March 2020 up to a maximum of £2,500. They're going to take a while to get this in action, and it won't be actually payable probably till at least mid-May, but it will be backdated to the 1st of March. There's also statutory sick pay relief. For the self-employed, two things. First of all, there's the tax grant of 80% of profits. This is profits, I just want to stress, rather than turnover or income. And it's based on the average of the last 3 years' tax returns. So the final one would have been 18-19. And it's going to be paid for 3 months. Again, backdated to March, but not payable to June because it's going to take them a while to get themselves organised. The limit of this is trading profits up to 50,000. My understanding is if 50,000 or above, you won't get anything. They're saying that this will cover 95% of people anyway. HMRC is going to be writing to everyone, and it's available from the beginning of June. And part of the reason for the delay is they're giving anyone who hasn't sent in a self-assessment an extra 4 weeks, i.e. the 23rd of April 2020, to submit their tax return. So anybody who's not submitted it yet, even though it's already late, you need to hurry up and do that. The next thing for the self-employed is anybody that's paying a payment on account that's due in July 2020 on account for 1920. The payment's been deferred for 6 months and not payable to January. I think you've still got the option of paying it if you wish, but otherwise you can leave it 6 months. Right, the next thing is VAT. VAT payments are deferred. Any payments due between the 20th of March to the 30th of June, that's deferred. Again, you can pay this if you wish. It will go out as normal. So, for instance, my payment's due the 10th of April. It will go out unless you cancel the direct debit. But you've still got to pay it in the end, so you may wish to pay it anyway. But if not, you can defer it for 6 months. IR35, this was due to come into the public sector from the 6th of April this year. This has now been delayed by a year. The engager was taken over a responsibility for this, so this is what was going to have a bigger effect, but you've got an extra year now for that. The next thing is any business that's based in England, has a property that they occupy, so that could be rented or owned, they will be entitled and also get the small business rate relief or the rural rate relief, are going to be entitled to £10,000 grant, a grant, not a loan. My understanding that will be paid in April 2020, and it's going to be administered through local authorities, so they will be actually writing to you in the first instance. HMRC time to pay scheme, they're obviously doing more help for people on that. I've got 2 phone numbers. The help to pay phone number for HMRC is 0800 0159 559. There's also helpline for self-employed and businesses of 0800 024 1222. Statutory sick pay, this is £94.25, and I think they will pay, that's right, they're going to pay employers, they will pay this to employers to pass on to the employees for anybody that's self-isolating, and obviously the universal credits is available for anybody struggling as well. Companies House, they are giving everyone an additional 3 months to file, which means you're going to avoid penalties for another 3 months, because obviously if you don't get them in on time, there's a penalty to pay. There's a coronavirus business interruption loan scheme as well. The final thing probably to say is, I would say, is be very, very aware of scams. There's lots of scams going around, phone calls, texts, emails. If you've got any doubt at all, just delete it, and then delete it from your delete box as well. Okay, I hope you find that helpful. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.